and today I'm going to share with you another quick recipe from the pineapple. Now whenever I think about salsa, I always think about Latin dancing, but we can also use salsa in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making pineapple salsa, a favorite for many persons, especially around summertime or when it's really hot. It's great to go alongside fried chicken, fried fish. Perfect. So let's go over the ingredients. We have fresh pineapple. If you can't get fresh pineapple, you can always get your pineapple in a can. Half of a small sweet pepper chopped. Half of a small white onion. If you have a red onion, you can also use that one. It's going to bring additional flavor and great color. And half of a red sweet pepper chopped. Pinch of salt and the juice from 1 lime. Our first step is to dice our pineapples. I absolutely love pineapples. One of my favorite fruits. They bring such flavor to dishes. I can eat it raw, but we're going to try pineapple in a salsa today. Once our pineapples are done, we're going to mix everything together. So I'm going to add the pineapples to a large bowl. Make sure you get all that wonderful juice, because that juice helps to create that amazing flavor. So we're going to get everything in. Just set that aside. Now we're going to add sweet pepper and our onion. Look at that amazing color. You're seeing the reds, the greens. It almost looks like Christmas. You're going to stir it. And our final ingredient is to add our lime. Now, one tip for you, if your lime happens to be really hard, you just need to roll it gently, and that helps to extract as much juice as possible. So once we've done that, we'll cut it and we're going to squeeze fresh lime onto our pineapple salsa. Our dish would not be complete without salt, so a pinch of salt to just brighten up that flavor. And our pineapple salsa is almost done. One quick stir to make sure everything is combined. Now it's ready. Once your pineapple salsa is done, allow it to stay in the fridge for at least 1 hour. That really helps all the flavors to meld together. Now let's taste. I just love the beautiful colors that you get. And you know, they always say that I eat first, so as long as it looks good, you're gonna go for it. Delicious. I'm getting all the flavors bouncing around. I'm tasting the sweetness from the pineapple. I'm getting the tanginess from the lime juice. A perfect marriage. If you happen to be having kids over, children absolutely love pineapples. This is a dish I highly recommend. Pineapple salsa? Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this pineapple salsa recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other pineapple recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.